Hello children, please open page number 42.
In Marigold English textbook
For class 1.
NCERT English textbook for class 1.
NCERT textbook for class 1.
Okay. In this we are going to sing a song. Okay? Sing with us. Sing with me. Once I saw a little bird.
Once I saw a little bird.
See, this is a little bird and this boy is seeing through the window. This is the window and the boy is seeing. The bird is flying. Once I saw a little bird.
Once I saw a little bird.
Come hop, hop, hop.
Come hop, hop, hop.
I cried, little bird.
I cried. I cried means?
I cried, little bird.
Cried means?
Archana. Crying means shouting, calling. I cried, little bird. Will you stop, stop, stop?
I cried, little bird. When you stop, 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 stop.
Will you stop, stop, stop?
Will you stop, 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 stop?
3 times. Stop, stop, stop.
Stop, stop, stop.
Once I saw a little bird.
Once I saw a little bird.
Come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird.
Once I saw a little bird.
Come hop, hop, hop.
Come hop, hop, hop.
I cried.
I cried,
Little bird.
little bird.
Will you stop, stop, stop?
Will you stop, stop, stop?
I was going to the window
I was going to the window.
to say, how do you do? How do you do? I was going to the window
I was going to the window.
to say, how do you do?
How do you do? Why is there?
How are you andaniki how do you do anukunnatchu you can say how are you, you can say both. I was going to the window
I was going to the window
to say, how do you do?
to say how do you do?
But he shook his little tail.
Issue.
But he shook.
Shook means?
ఇలా ఊపింది, ఊపేసి పారిపోయింది. But he shook his little tail.
But he shook little tail.
And away he flew.
And away he flew.
He flew.
Flew.
But he shook his little tail.
But he shook little tail.
But he shook his little tail. His little tail.
His little tail.
And flew away.
Away flew away.
And away he flew.
And away he flew.
Okay, so we are going to learn some words. Bird.
Bird.
B-I-R-D, bird.
B-A-R-D, bird.
H-O-P, hop.
H-O-P, hop.
S-T-O-P, stop.
S-T-O-P, stop.
T-A-I-L, tail.
T-A-L, tail.
Tail. Monkeys will have tail, right? And birds
That's
are.
also.
Yes. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window.
Window.
The bird flies out of the window. Read this. The bird
The bird.
flies out of the window.
The bird flies out of the window.
We must stop cutting trees.
We must stop cutting trees.
We must stop
We must stop
cutting trees.
cutting trees.
Hi children, bye for now.
Bye, bye, bye.